My register number is UR15CS324. Today we are going to see about a Java program, how to find the occurrence of a number in a particular array. That means the user will give some elements in a particular array. If there is any duplicate elements in that array, then we have to say how many times it's occurring. That's we have to find. Here I am giving package occurrence is nothing, it's coming under one particular topic, particular head, like that. We are giving a scanner library function because we are using your scanner, and public class occurrence and public static void main. Then I am giving in four variables here, int n x, and giving count as 0 for itself and I as 0. I will say what all the use of these things coming. Scanner is equal to giving I am giving using the scanner function here, and just say asking the user to input the array, not input the array, sorry, asking how many elements the user want to be in the array, 5 or 6, how many elements he wants to be in the array, and taking it in n. And again I am creating array. The syntax for creating the array is this: the data type a and the square bracket is equal to and new, because we are creating a new array, and new in the in this n means the n from here, because the how many elements the user want, that should be put inside the square bracket. Asking again, I am asking the user enter all the elements, which all elements he wants to be present in the array. For that I am creating a loop, because it should not exist the n, so I am creating a loop. For I is equal to 0, I should be less than n, I plus plus. Again I am putting a of I, because if a of 0, it should print x dot the first input, and it should again I plus plus a of 2 will come, like that it should come. And again I am asking the user to enter the elements which you want to count number of occurrence, asking the elements, which elements he wants to find, how many times it's occurring, like that, and taking that input as in x. And again I'm going inside the for loop to search where the file, where the element it is, how many times it's occurring. For I is equal to 0, I should be less than n, I plus, it's the same condition I am applying before. Again inside array I am checking if a of I is equal to x, means if it will go for a of 0, and it will search if x is equal or not. If it is equal, it will count plus plus, it will count how many times it's coming. Then at last it will print, it will show count plus count, it will show display the how many times it's occurring. Let's check it. It's asking enter number of the elements you want. I'm giving it as 5. I am entering the numbers, 10, 20 and 20 and 30 and 20 I'm giving. I have given 5 elements, and just check it 20 how many times it's repeating. 23 times I am giving, so it should say if I put here 20, it should say 3 times. Number of occurrence of the elements 3. That's all. If we check again, if you want to check, I am giving the number of elements as 4 and giving all different elements. No, I am giving not different, I am giving 10 as it should say now 2, so I am giving 10 now. It's saying that the occurrence of the elements is 2, because 10 is occurring 2, one is first, and at last also it's occurring. That's all. Thank you.